Well, my dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Page number 46, Students Book, Elementary, New Headway Plus, Unit 6. At this page, you can see a question. There is a chart that has got two columns, and one column is headed by present. The second column is headed by past. And the question is, read questions, complete the answers. I'm going to speak out the full sentences for you, questions and answers, first present and then past. Number one, what day is it today? It's Saturday. What day was it yesterday? It was Friday. Number two, what month is it now? It's March. What month was it last month? It was February. Number three, where are you now? I am at home. Where were you yesterday? I was at market yesterday. And these three sentences I have spoken out for you as an example. The remaining you can do at your own. Now let's go to the next slide. Page number 46, Grammar Spot. My dear students, in this grammar spot, we have been told the use of be, verb be in the past tense. The past forms of the modal verb be are was, were. I was, you were, he was, she was, it was, we were, they were. And the negative forms, I wasn't, he wasn't, she wasn't, it wasn't, you weren't, we weren't, they weren't. And now let's move to the next slide. Next slide means the slide after this one, remember please. In the next slide, you are going to listen an audio file, tape script 6.6. After you listen, complete the conversation. This conversation is on page number 46 and it is activity 2. You will listen to, in the next slide now, you will listen to the audio file and then you will complete the conversation. Now I move towards the next slide and you please listen and do the activity. Here is the next slide.
Tape script 6.6. Tape script 6.6.
Were you at Barnaby's wedding last Saturday?
Yes, I was.
Was it good?
Well, it was okay.
Were there many people?
Yes, there were.
Was Henry there?
No, he wasn't. And where were you? Why weren't you there?
Oh, I couldn't go because I was at a conference. It was boring.
Now, my dear students, this is page number 47 and activity 4. Match lines in A, B, and C and make similar sentences about the 4 child prodigies. You can see a table there. That table has got 3 columns, column A, column B, column C. Match the words given in the columns and make meaningful sentences in the past tense. The answer is given for you. I'm going to speak out the first 2 answers. 1. Al-Mutanabbi was born in Iraq in 915. He could write poems when he was 9. I couldn't write poem until I was 12. Number 2. Einstein was born in Germany in 1879. He couldn't speak until he was 8. I could speak when I was 1. Next slide. Again, this is page number 47, activity 7. Tick the correct sentences and the answers are given. Next slide. This is page number 48, and on page number 48 you can see two short paragraphs, the chocolate maker, the student CEO. Read the short paragraphs and answer the questions. You are advised to note the new words in your copy and look up the meanings in the dictionary.